Hello from Williams, Arizona. It was just sleeting a little while ago. Look at my footprints. Sleeting, and the one thing that we don't get a lot of sleet on the East Coast, at least New Hampshire and Mass. Borders, not a lot. But we don't have the really, even if we do, in the snow, we don't have like what they have here, which is like wind driven. That hill was coming down like 40-mile-an-hour winds. You kind of hear it now, it's calmed down, but it is raining and snowing and sleeting. Yay. So it's kind of cold. It's cool, cold enough to snow, as you can see, but that's all right. 802 with desolate parking lot type campgrounds. There's actually trees here and things, people, and touristy trap main drag, which is kind of cool. Let us go take a look. So, left Lake Havasu yesterday, or today, 12:20 a.m. Stopped at a truck stop to shower like 15 minutes later. Stopped again at a rest area like a half an hour after that, and then left 7 something, got here, did my laundry, got a hotel room for the night, go back to there later, only to hear Charlie complain and cry for like an hour until I finally laid down, and he lay down on the pillow and cuddled my head and calmed down. But for an hour I didn't get that, and he just whined and cried. That's right, he'll be alright. He just wanted to go back in the van. This lady next door wanted to, is your cat alright? Yep, he just wants to run back to the van. So it was like snowing now. Change hands because it's kind of cold. Fingertips are real cold. But anyway, I will. Oh, that's where I'm staying. Arizona Lawn Hotel. So it's a cool little, some cool little shops. My buddy would love that. John, you would love that. Edie, you would love that. Or that one. Fill her up. Well, you know. So, I'm going to go in the store. Oh, I might find out how they are later. It's a family dining and so, enough that one for now.